Isang malakas na hiyaw naman dyan! Ayan! Finally! Kung kailan lalabas, saka lumakas.
Exactly. Now, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big, resounding round of applause to Mr. Tom Rodriguez!
Magandang gabi na gano'y. Camarines Sur, thank you for having me. Darling, just like beautiful and sweet. You're someone waiting for one little once. I will not give you. Send your love no less. I whisper love. I found the one that someday I'll share the world to love with love. Every children I'm dancing to my favorite song when I saw you. Ladies and gentlemen, isang malakas na palakpakan po para sa nagagandang candidates ko ngayong gabi dito sa Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Now I know why I get an angel and she looks perfect tonight. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Okay lang po ba na kayo naman po ang kantahan ko? Okay lang lumapit. Ladies, thank you so much. George!